Hi there coach, it's Carolin Soldo here, and today I want to show you how to use Facebook ads to grow your coaching business, gain more clients, and increase your visibility on social media. Plus, I'm going to show you what not to advertise so you're not going to waste any money in the process. I also have a very special guide for you today, and in that guide I will show you how to build your very first marketing funnel so that you can run your Facebook ads to your marketing funnel and gain more coaching clients for your business. Before we get started, as always, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so you get notified when new episodes drop every Wednesday. All about helping you go from passion to profits in your coaching business. Last year alone, my company has spent over $900,000 in Facebook advertising, and we have cracked the code to getting coaching clients from Facebook through our marketing funnels. Our clients are using Facebook ads too because it literally is so simple to reach prospects and clients in every coaching niche you could ever imagine. And with that, our clients are going from zero to full-time income in as little as 4 months. So today I want to talk you through the steps you need to be taking to set up, test, and scale a successful Facebook ad campaign that will lead to new leads and clients in your business as well. Step number 1 is to set your advertising objective. So what is your objective? Do you want new coaching clients? Do you want to fill an event? Do you want to sell a program? Think about the objective you have and get started with that. Step number 2 is then to decide what you're going to advertise. I recommend you advertise a webinar or a lead magnet, such as a quiz or a Facebook Live video or even a guide, something your clients can download. You should not be advertising things like your website or things like your business page, and don't advertise for likes. The likes are great, but how are you going to take those likes and turn them into clients? You need to have a way to get people into your marketing funnel. If you don't have a marketing funnel in place yet, watch my video on how to build your first online marketing funnel and how to turn cold traffic from social media into paying clients on autopilot. Step number 3 is to choose your campaign objectives. And I recommend you use what I call the triple threat. But don't be worried, it's not scary and it's not complicated either. The triple threat includes 3 different advertising objectives. Number 1 is to create engagement. Number 2 is to get them to opt in for a lead magnet, something really easy to consume. And number 3 is to get them to actually watch a webinar with you. The engagement ad is there to begin the relationship with your potential clients. It's to give them some information, it's to give them more value. It might be a Facebook Live, it might be a video, it might be a really jam-packed high-value post that you advertise with a relatively low budget. The second level in your triple threat strategy is your freebie ad, which could be a quiz, it could be a workbook, it could be a guide. It shows them even more about your expertise and what you can do for them, and it gets them ready to then ultimately sign up for your webinars. The third level in your triple threat advertising strategy is a webinar. So we want you to advertise a webinar to people who are completely new to you, but also to the people who have engaged with your posts and people who have maybe taken your quiz, watched a video, maybe downloaded one of your freebies, your guides, and your workbooks, and who are now ready to actually spend 60 minutes with you or so on a webinar. Step number 4 is to pick your images and write your copy. This is where many people get scared and they're not sure what to do, but it's actually really systematic and it can be really fun. For your copy, we recommend 3 different copy versions that you will be testing. 1 is short, 2 is medium, 3 is long. Your short copy should be very direct and it should be inviting them to download the guide, to sign up for the webinar, to watch a video. It could be very, very simple. There's no scrolling and they don't have to click on see more to see the whole post. It's literally just 1 or 2 or 3 sentences. The medium copy is a little bit longer and it gives you a little bit more room to play with, some information on what's inside the freebie, what you're talking about inside the webinar to get them enticed even more to be signing up for it. And the long copy is usually a story. So in the long copy version, I want you to be writing your story, how you've become a coach, the struggles you've gone through, maybe the results you've created for your clients, and why you're doing what you're doing today. Images are great and they're actually really fun. So when you choose your images, you want to pick 3 variations: an image of an animal or an object or nature, an image of you, and an image of your ideal client. Step number 5 is your pixel. The pixel is not evil. Trust me, it's not. Setting up your pixel is actually really easy. Facebook has made it very, very simple for us to grab the pixel and install it on whatever it is you're advertising. What's very important is that you place the pixel on your opt-in page and the thank you page, but make sure the right tracking events are installed on your thank you pages so that you're correctly tracking all the conversions that you're getting from your ads. Step number 6 is where you create your audiences. So right in the beginning, you want to make sure you're building audiences of people who are engaging with your stuff. They might be visiting your website, they might be downloading your freebies, they might be watching your webinars, and you want to make sure you're capturing them so that later on you can go out there and communicate with them even more and send them different messages through your Facebook ads. Step number 7 is where we actually select your audiences for targeting, and this is a critical step because you want to make sure you clearly define your ideal clients on Facebook to make sure you're not wasting any advertising dollars by showing your ads to the wrong market. So there's a cold market and there's warm market. Warm market might be people who have seen your website, who have engaged with your posts, who like your page already. Cold market might be people who are part of certain organizations. Maybe they're following your competitors. Maybe they have certain interests, preferences, and behaviors that you can target within Facebook ads. And the most important part is that you test and test and test some more to make sure you find out what works for you. Step number 8 is testing. Before you scale out your ads and you spend a lot of money on your advertising, you want to make sure you're testing it appropriately. So we recommend you test your copy first. So you select one image and then you choose your short, medium, and long copy, and you actually test them on the same audience until they reach about 1,000 impressions each. And you'll see what's working, what's not working. You can look at the performance statistics, the cost per registration, and other things inside of your ads manager that will tell you very quickly which copy version is actually performing the best. After you've tested copy and image, then it's time for you to potentially test your headlines in Facebook as well. So you could run a test to see which headlines are performing the best, and after this test is done, you will have a winning combination of copy, image, and headline to go out there and advertise to your market. Now, one thing is really important to know, and that is different audiences may react differently to your ads. So if you're going out into different segments of the market, it may be worth your while to test again. Step number 9 is scaling. Once you're done with testing and you have the winning combinations, then it's time for you to scale, but scale slowly. I recommend you increase your budget by $10, $15, maybe $20 every couple of days. Continue to monitor your ads and see what's happening with your performance. Now I have some advanced tips for those of you who really want to go above and beyond, and you may already have some experience running Facebook ads. The first advanced tip I have for you is to use lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences are built based on your existing leads, so your existing registrations for webinars, your existing quiz takers, maybe people who have already watched a video. And Facebook has the ability to build audiences based on these groups of people by looking at their characteristics, their behaviors, their preferences behind the scenes, and build an audience for you that is similar to those people who are already interested in your stuff. How cool is that? The second tip I have for you is to actually use retargeting, and that's why we've built the triple threat campaign, remember? So what we recommend is to retarget people who have engaged with your posts, engaged with your videos, and show them an invitation to download a freebie. Take it even one step further and then retarget people who have the freebie with your webinar. So once you build audiences in Facebook ads, you can retarget them with specific messages, with new offers that build a ladder, that bring your leads along the way, continue to build the relationship, give them more and more value, and get them to the point where they're ready to say, yes, I want to work with that coach and that coach alone, and this is the person that can help me. Now you might be asking yourself, well, I'm advertising all these things, but how do I actually get clients? And of course, there's more to it. So I want to invite you to watch our brand new training class, where I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps you can take right now to get all the coaching clients you could ever want in your business. There's a link below in the description. Simply sign up for a class this week, and I'll see you there. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below. Leave me a comment if you have questions on your ads. I would love to have a conversation with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take care. Do you want to build a successful online coaching business, but you're not sure how to get started, and you're scared of wasting time and money on the wrong steps? Let me be your coach and show you the right steps to quickly launch your business, attract the perfect clients, and multiply your income. To learn more, go to coachingbusinesstraining.com. Are you in a funnel? I feel like I'm in a funnel right now.